Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Jackie's Kitchen. My name is Jacqueline Mjala. Today I want to share with you a very quick and easy recipe for a snack that you can eat anytime. It's actually one of my all-time favorite snack because of how easy it is to make, and it requires very basic ingredients. But before we go into that, I want to plead with everyone who's watching and has never subscribed. Please subscribe. Mwah! I love you for doing that. Thank you for subscribing. To all the other subscribers, thank you so much for the support you have shown me this far. And so today I want to do Viazi Karai. It's very common at the coast region. So I want to share my easy to do Viazi Karai recipe. So first things first, let me go wash my hands because I've been carrying this cat here. Then we proceed. So you obviously need potatoes. Mine are peeled, cleaned and cut into desired sizes. Then I have whole cumin seeds, salt and garlic that is sliced. And I'm going to add all these in my potatoes as they boil to add that nice flavor. So as the potatoes boil, let's make our sour pepper sauce. So for this sauce, we'll need lemon, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, and 1 tomato. I'm going to roughly chop these so that they can go into my grinder. I'll be grinding this into a smooth paste. For the lemon, I'm going to extract the lemon juice and keep it aside. I'll use that later. I'm not going to grind with the lemon juice. And that's how it looks after grinding. So for the coating, we're going to use all-purpose wheat flour. I'll add a pinch of salt to that. Then for the coloring, you can either use turmeric or the normal food color. For me, I love this egg yellow. It's just perfect. Then add water and mix into a smooth paste. Now the consistency depends on how thick or thin you want your potatoes coated. For me, this consistency is just perfect. So I'm then going to add the potatoes into this batter, coat them, and straight into medium hot oil for frying. My sweet people, we are almost at 500 subscribers. If you have not subscribed, please just click on that red button and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the updates I post. Please help me grow by subscribing. Thank you.